down here at the Ace at Upstate Customs and Fabrications right now. We're trying to get some shift knob materials. This would be nice. See, I mean, it's not threaded all the way.
Yeah.
And like, so it's like smooth. So you can just grab that.
Yeah, it's perfect.
I'll weld the nut there, all the way out and around. That'd be nice. $1.89 each. Do they get any cheaper ones? I don't know. And these work, I guess. All right, let's search around for
Custom fabrication.
Yo.
Business.
Oh, that's way too small.
Yeah, this is a little small.
I have a small hand. That's way too small for me. Even that's close, but I mean,
Yeah.
let's get 2 of these and try them. Alright, now we're just gonna get a boat ton of nuts of like little tiny ones. Alright guys, so we just got out of our Ace, and it's so funny because the guy there, he was like, he goes, so what are you boys building today? We're like some Mad Max looking shift knobs. And he go for like standard trucks and stuff. He goes, oh, that's pretty cool. I'm like, yeah, I made one in school and want to make some more. He goes, that'd be kind of cool. He goes, maybe you guys could start selling them. You never know. He goes, or make a cool YouTube video about making it. I was like, dude, that's exactly what we're doing. So we left there. As you guys see, it was, I think, was it? Total $6.33. I mean, 22 cents. The bolts were like, what, $1.89 each. And we got 2 of those, and we got 18 nuts at 11 cents each. So that came out to be like, whatever,
$1.98.
Yeah, $1.98. And we live in New York State, so they fucked us on tax at a whole 50 cents. So, I might answer my phone because it just went off like 6 times. And we'll see you guys back at home. Alright guys, we just got home. Hooked up the light over here on the welding station. Don't mind this is for a different project. But we're sorting out all of our nuts.
8, 9.
Sorting all of our nuts here. We got some Sirius XM playing. We forgot our Mountain Dew. We were having a nice little garage night and get some Mountain Dew, but you know, whatever. So I brought my welding helmet. That's mine. This one's my dad's. They're both Millers. That one Peyton's gonna use for now. We're just mocking all these up. We can weld them. We almost bought one of these grinding discs right here, just to grind all the shit off. And I was like, you know what, man, let's not really buy one. I think I have one at my mom's house. We're at my dad's right now. We come home, this one's sitting just like this. It's the same exact one that we were gonna buy. It's already set up on the grinder. So we're gonna get the welder, the good old Lincoln weld pack. We're gonna get this thing all set up and tack weld all these shits together. Still don't know if it's a good idea or not. I have the camera right here. We're about to find out. What? I said I still don't know if it's a good idea having the camera right here or not. We'll find out. OSHA approved, not using gloves. Holy fuck, these things get hot. God damn it. Well, this is like my first one I've ever made. Peyton made one before, so he's like an expert at this shit now. I still have no idea what the hell I'm exactly doing to make one of these. Alright guys, so I tacked the other side all together, then I pulled it off the bench and it got stuck on the bench and it broke, so I go through and fix it. Now I flipped it over and I'm just gonna go through and tack all of these.
You need to stop breaking shit.
I know, that's really fucked right there. Let me see if I can try to fix that and then go through and tack all of these on this side. and then go through with that and clean it up. And then while he's eating pizza, I'm gonna do that.
Is your slice.
I know.
I already ate mine.
Fucking dick. So then, while I'm eating my pizza or what's left of it, he's gonna weld the other one.
No, I haven't eaten any of yours yet.
Oh, okay, good.
You're about to love it. Kyle, you're about to love it. Keeping that pizza warm. Woo.
The only reason why I'm stopping a while is to also let it cool down, but my helmet doesn't change automatically because I have the whatever
To relax.
the sensitivity turned way up. So I'm just gonna do this. Alright, so that's what they look like. Kinda shitty, we'll go through and clean them up. And I gotta dunk this, we're gonna paint it, I'm gonna paint mine, whatever, you don't paint yours, we have red and black, and we have more downstairs. So we're gonna do this and we eat pizza, probably record some more of that one, and continue on with our night. Peyton's over here welding. I'm over here. I broke out the vise and the Makita, got the grinding wheel on there. Going through, just fixing up all the little shit and stuff like that, and I had to go through and patch some stuff up with some welds. So I'm still looking to fix this, and I'll catch you guys while I'm painting this. Alright, it's raining out. I got the piece in my hand, you guys can't even see that, but it's still pretty toasty. Walking down here into my little shop slash storage shed area. It smells like paint. Huh, wonder why. So we got our projects from last night. You guys can barely even see that. We got our projects from the other night right there. Paint says gonna paint his black, so that means I'm gonna paint mine red. Where the hell the red spray paint went. So I'll find the red spray paint and I'll paint this. Alright, if you guys hear barking, it's my stupid dog. But there we go. Got that first coat on. Peyton's up there grinding. Let's go see what the hell he's doing. This part doesn't help at all. Okay. I hear it. I hear the grinder. Go up the driveway. In here grinding, dog. I hear you all the way down the other shed. Nice, nice.
Yeah.
I found the red paint, by the way.
Where was it?
It was on top of what the hell, that little place where I used to keep all my oil and stuff, a little red container. It's up around. It was on top of there. I put one coat on there.